So I don't know about you, but as a starting data scientist, I know that I've often found working with Docker images to be a bit of a challenge, especially because I do a lot of my work in Jupyter notebooks with conda environments, and those three don't always want to work well together. So there's some great material out there, such as this Medium article that shows you how to work around that. But some of this stuff is pretty advanced and kind of does my head in a little bit, to be honest. Luckily, one of my colleagues here at Coiled pointed out to me that the coiled.create software environment command creates a Docker image, and you can actually choose where you want that Docker image to be stored. So let's walk through how to do that. If you navigate to our docs and go to the backends section, go ahead and choose the backend that you are using. I'll use AWS for this video since that's the default. And scroll down to, I think it is step 4. You'll see the steps you need to follow to set up your container registry. And I'll just show you this live too. If you go to the Coiled Cloud Dashboard and click on the Account tab, you will see the current registry that's being used. And you can edit that going through these steps. And here you can choose which container registry you want your Docker images to be stored in. You can use the default, or you can store your Docker images in another registry, such as DockerHub. Now this is really great because it means you can use Coiled as a Docker image build service to convert your conda or pip environments into Docker images and upload them straight to DockerHub. This really takes away a lot of the headache of creating Docker images, in my opinion. Now, Coiled needed this functionality to run correctly. It uses the Docker images to distribute all of the dependencies to your Dask workers to make sure that all of your computations run smoothly. But in the spirit of open source development and community, the engineering team decided not to tuck this functionality away, but to open it up and give users the choice of where they want their Docker images to be stored. And I think this is really a great example of a product feature being opened up to be used beyond its original intent. And the great thing is that this doesn't actually require you to spin up a coiled cluster, which means that you can do this for free. All right, just wanted to point that out and share that with you all. Hope it's helpful. If you have any more questions or feedback about this, please don't hesitate to get in touch. And thanks for watching.